The Gamma connector for ChatGPT lets you generate presentations, documents, web pages, and social posts directly from a ChatGPT conversation. In this video, we'll cover how to set it up and create gammas, and a few things worth knowing. Gamma connectors is a set of integrations that let you create gammas from inside other tools. ChatGPT is one of Gamma's available connectors. It connects to Gamma through the Gamma MCP server, so when you ask it to create something, it calls Gamma in the background, builds the content in your workspace, and sends you a link in the conversation. Setting up the connector is a one-time step with no API key and no technical configuration. Open ChatGPT, go to your connector settings, find Gamma in the list, and connect your Gamma account. Once the connector is active, start a conversation in ChatGPT as you normally would like working through a brief, analyzing data, or writing a report. When you're ready to turn the output into a Gamma, just ask. Describe the format: presentation, document, web page, or social post. Specify the tone, the image style, which folder in your workspace to save it to, and which theme to apply. If your workspace has custom themes set up, you can reference those by name too. Once you send your message, ChatGPT generates the output and returns a link in the conversation. Open the link and the result is waiting in your Gamma workspace, fully editable from there. The connector creates new gammas. It does not edit existing ones. If you need to adjust a gamma that has already been generated, open it in the Gamma app to make those changes. Generation uses Gamma credits, the same way creating in the Gamma app does. If you see an insufficient credits error, you can purchase more in Gamma account settings or upgrade your plan. If you see an authentication error, disconnect the Gamma integration in ChatGPT and reconnect it. That's how you use the Gamma connector for ChatGPT. To learn more about Gamma connectors, check out the documentation link below. Try today and get your ideas into the universe.